Hi, I'm Wim Verhoff. I'm the Managing Director of Pneumatic Products and co-founder in 1987 and sole owner since 1998. Really at the core, Pneumatic Products exist to provide excellent customer service and improve customer productivity and reliability.
Our vision for the future of pneumatic products is simple. We want to provide the best service within the industry and provide engineering solutions for their projects and increasing their uptime. We are focused on expanding and representing world-class products such as Piab, CKD, Pisco and Exair. We are Sydney-based, but we are the national distributor for Joulin and CKD products. We also have a technical sales engineer, Brian Davey, based in Brisbane, who covers the Queensland market.
I think the thing that makes the team unique is that we share a can-do attitude, a strong customer focus and committed to creating a positive work environment, which is driven by a shared passion and dedication to achieving the outcomes for our customers.
Now look, to tell you the truth, I really like working here. Everyone over here is very genuine, so it's a really great team and everyone's very friendly and helpful towards each other. So I think that's why we get along really well as a team.
Combining our team's expertise with our supply partners' knowledge and their wide range of products, we ensure our customers get solutions of the highest performance and reliability. Theory is one thing, but nothing beats real-world testing to make sure we get the performance required, not just on day one for the customer, but years down the track as well.
I've been in the pneumatics business since 1969, and when the opportunity came to start my own business, along with my partner, I jumped at the opportunity. We wanted to give good service, which was not always happening with a lot of the major companies that were around. A lot of their salespeople didn't know a lot about grassroots pneumatics, and they were just catalogue salesmen, with a big catalogue under their arm, whereas we could actually help them solve a lot of their problems and come up with solutions. So we felt we could give good service and actually be of benefit to customers and helping solve their problems.